secondhand shoes is essential for hygiene and making them feel new again. Start by preparing your workspace and the shoes themselves. First, remove the laces and any removable insoles. This allows you to clean every part thoroughly. Take a dry brush, like an old toothbrush or a dedicated shoe brush, and vigorously scrub away all the loose dirt, dust, and debris from the shoe's exterior and sole. Pay special attention to the seams and grooves where dirt gets trapped. This dry brushing step prevents you from turning dirt into mud when you add water. Next, create a simple and effective cleaning solution. Mix a small amount of mild soap, like dish soap or laundry detergent, into a bowl of warm water until it's slightly sudsy. For the shoe's upper, dip a soft bristled brush or a microfiber cloth into the soapy water. Gently scrub the entire surface in small, circular motions. Be mindful of the material, use less water and a softer touch on materials like suede or nubuck. For tougher materials like leather or canvas, you can be a bit more firm. After scrubbing, wipe away the soap residue with a clean, damp cloth. Now, focus on the midsoles and soles, which often have the toughest scuffs. Create a paste using baking soda and a little water. Apply this paste directly to the scuffed areas and scrub with a firmer brush. The mild abrasive quality of the baking soda works wonders on rubber and foam without causing damage. Once the scuffs are gone, wipe the soles clean. To clean the inside, mix equal parts white vinegar and water in a spray bottle. Lightly mist the interior of the shoes. The vinegar will help disinfect and kill odor-causing bacteria. Do not soak the inside. After misting, sprinkle a generous amount of baking soda inside each shoe and let them sit overnight. The baking soda will absorb any remaining moisture and neutralize bad odors. The next day, simply shake out the excess powder. Don't forget the laces and insoles. Submerge the laces in your soapy water solution and agitate them with your hands. For the insoles, gently scrub them with the same solution and a brush, then rinse them. Allow both the laces and insoles to air dry completely. Finally, it's time to dry the shoes. Stuff them with crumpled paper towels or newspaper to help absorb internal moisture and maintain their shape as they dry. Place them in a well-ventilated area away from direct sunlight or heat, as this can cause materials to crack or warp. Once every component is completely dry, you can reinsert the insoles and relace the shoes. They will look, feel, and smell significantly better. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe for more helpful cleaning tips.